Yn ystod pandemig Covid-19, daliodd aelodau grŵp cerddoriaeth BG Reach ati gyda'r broses greadigol ar-lein. Y canlyniad oedd y darn hwn sy'n dathlu harddwch naturiol Blaenau Gwent. Nid yn unig y gwnaeth y grŵp ei gyfansoddi yn ystod y cyfnod clo, ond gwnaethant hefyd ei recordio a chreu'r ffilm i gyd fynd o bell. During the COVID-19 pandemic, members of the BG Reach music group continued the creative process online. The result was this piece, celebrating the natural beauty of Blaenau Gwent. The group not only composed it during lockdown, but also recorded it and created the accompanying film remotely.
From Swiss mountains to mountainous Welsh valleys, bellowing cows with clanging bells to dog walks in six bells, pit-patter of paws, new horizons, new friends. How is it now that I've been so blessed, that God has brought me so far, a path of faith, my valley home.
Things I could not see. Now my eyes are opened, beauty lost to me. Now more than ever, things I could not see.
Hello.